Hey guys, this is Donnie with Destined Rescue. Hang on a minute. This is the hoop house. There's the heater. We just got hit with a tornado. I mean, it destroyed everything over here. Just had to get goats out from underneath where the hoop house flipped over and collapsed on them. Had 9 goats pinned up under there. We're doing a check. Everybody's okay so far. We got trees down in the back also. Hey guys, is everybody all right? Hey Malachi, hey buddy. Just wanted to touch base with you guys, let you know y'all okay? Hey buddy, I know that was scary, wasn't it? Okay. Daphne, you alright, baby? Hey. Hey, girl. It's over. Come on. Yeah, just hit. We got a warning on our phones. Holy mackerel. As soon as it started, we got the alert. I ran outside and it just started sprinkling. There's the heater out of the other hoop house. There's their feeder, flagpole's down. Everyone's okay so far. We got, oh wow, we got a lot of tree damage down back here. I'm just checking the goats, make sure everybody's all right. Gee whiz. Hey guys, y'all okay? Tinker, you alright, baby? Oh wow, it's folded up. That's oh crud. It tore the top layer off this hoop house. There's 4 layers on it. Well, that tree ain't no good no more. That's a big pine there. It was. That oak got hit. Molly, what are you doing? Oh my lord. We got one in the fence back here. I'm coming, baby. Hold on. Hold on, girl. I gotta make sure I got this thing off and not on. It is off. Oh, shoot. I don't think the electric fence would have worked anyway. Guys, this thing got up on us fast. This is Monday afternoon. Hold on, baby, I'm coming. Oh my lord. Hey girl. Jesus. What are you doing back here? Well guys, I'll get right back to you. Hold on baby, let me get you out. Guys, that oak's dead now. Molly was stuck in the fence right there, almost on that tree. Come on Molly. Come on girl, now she's gonna eat. Oh my lord. This thing come up on us fast. As I was saying, as soon as we got the babies inside, if you're wondering, these big white bags, we store our trash in them, then we haul them to the dump. Make a few trips a year, but it's far cheaper than paying monthly trash service. But anyhow, we got the alert on the phone And so I run out back and I grab Littlefoot and Wiggles, brought them inside, got them in their kennel. Took my raincoat off and heard that whistling, howling sound. I looked out the window and seen the trees starting to bend over, and we grabbed Rosie and threw her in the hall. Got the dogs put away, and it was on us. I mean, in seconds. Come on, Molly! Molly, Molly! She's back there eating. She's okay. But the pig pen got hit. I got Molly. Molly was stuck in the fence. I got her. But alright guys, gonna do an update. Everybody's okay. We've got structure damage. We lost a heater and one of the hoop, well, two of the hoop houses. So we're gonna have to do some rebuilding. But anyway, I'll golly, shredded that and just split the entire, that outer layer. God bless you all. We'll update you with what's happening later. Love you guys. Bye.